Hi, and welcome to our mini lesson on organizing your research. By now, you know how to access, search, and find academic resources using our online databases. However, do you still feel like online library research can get out of control? Lack of proper organization can bring stress into the learning experience. Perhaps you may still have questions, such as, when did I save that article? Where was that quote that I really liked? How do I cite my sources? And how can I compile all of my searches into one neat folder? These are just but a few of the questions and frustrations that you may be encountering while navigating the online environment. Stay tuned, because within the next few videos, I will show you step-by-step instructions on how to better organize your online database searches. I guarantee you that you will learn how to save tons of time so that you can focus on what matters most, which is learning the information you need to be successful in your research papers.